Today, I want to discuss the most fundamental and foundational topic of Vastu, that is, accuracy of directions and precision of directions and why it is necessary. Before I actually touch upon these topics, I really want to first touch upon the four core principles on which Vastu depends on. One is the Pancha Tattvas, or the five elements. The second being your 16 zones as per Vastu. The third one being your 32 entrances, and the fourth one being your symbols and Panchakosha. These four things are your foundational unit and basis of which your Vastu is founded on. And being this, while I said, the second part being the 16 zones, the accuracy of these zones and how it is applied on site plays a very, very important role, because even a deviation of even 2 to 3 degrees can cause a huge, huge damage when designing your space. Let me explain. The reason why I say this is, let us consider a Vastu chakra. A Vastu chakra is basically a circular diagram having 16 segments, right? So when you consider a 360-degree circle and you divide it into 16 segments, you will be having each segment or each zone spanning for a degree of 22.5, correct? So each degree, if that is from north, when you start and come back and end it at north, you will have a complete of 16 segments or zones, each spanning for 22.5 degrees. Keeping in mind that these degrees are very small, when you actually superimpose it on your plan to understand whether it is in Vastu or to correct the Vastu of your space or to see what Vastu remedy has to be done, even a slight 2 to 3 degree tilt or change can cause huge differences, because the zones tend to get changed. And if the zones are not done properly, that is, if there's a misplacement of any remedy, or color therapy is not done properly, or landscaping is done in the wrong place, or if anti elements are placed in any zone, all of this can cause huge, huge blunders into a space, affecting finally the person living or residing in the space or using the space at the end. So make sure when you are doing from the basic planning level, or if you're just checking an already existing plan, make sure you take the entire zones from the center of the space, and most importantly, make sure the correct location of north is taken from your Google Maps or your Google Earth Pro to take the correct coordinates, identify the correct north, and from there you start spanning out all of your zones to avoid any small deviational mistakes as well, because like I said, it has a huge, huge role and can act very, very bad and counteract and cause a lot of hazards and actually positively influencing a space.